Hello and welcome to Under YZ. My name is Soham, and in this quick video we are going to cover some very interesting news in regards to season 4 of Attack on Titan. Now last week we got the reveal for the name of episode 61, which was Midnight Train, and now we have details about episode 62 as well as episode 63, and things are looking very interesting in my opinion. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. We're also trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. Now for those of you who are not aware, the first episode of season 4 covered two chapters, that is chapter 91 as well as chapter 92. And seeing this particular trend, I'm pretty sure that they are going to cover the chapters in the following manner. They are clubbing 2 or 3 chapters together and using the name of the first chapter as the title of the episode as well. And in that manner we can say the following things. Episode 61 is titled Midnight Train, and that will cover chapter 93, that is titled Midnight Train, chapter 94 The Boy Inside the Walls, as well as chapter 95 that is titled Liar. Next is episode 62, which is titled The Door of Hope. This is possibly going to cover chapter 96 that is titled The Door of Hope, and next episode, that is episode 63, is possibly going to be the most hype episode because most probably this episode is going to cover 2 chapters, that is chapter 97 From One Hand to Another and chapter 98 Good to See. And this will lead us to possibly one of the most exciting cliffhanger episodes in the history of AOT, other than that basement reveal of course, and my fellow manga readers obviously know what I'm talking about. But once again, this is possibly going to become one of the best cliffhangers in the series because next week, that is on 3rd January, there is no new episode. There will be a break during the New Year week. So episode 63 is possibly going to become one of the most hype episodes in the history of AOT. I am extremely excited for all of this. And seeing all of these episode numbers and titles, I'm pretty sure that the final season is not going to have just 16 episodes. It is bound to have a part 2 or maybe a movie. Something like that may very well happen, but as of right now we don't have much information about it. But this is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for joining in. This was the news on Attack on Titan season 4. What do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Under YZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.